Coronavirus, immunity booster green tea recipe. Here is a quick lowdown on an immunity boosting concoction. Thin slice raw turmeric, thin slice, ginger pinch, cinnamon 1 cup, water method. Asterisk mix all the ingredients. Boil the mixture. Asterisk drink 1-2 times a day. It is a rich source of antioxidants that can boost one's health over a period of time. Benefits of ginger. Studies in the past have shown that ginger helps in digestion, has anti-inflammatory properties and increases metabolism. This also has an incredible effect on fighting cold and flu, as ginger is said to be diaphoretic, that makes the body sweat and overcome issues affecting immunity. Turmeric. A pinch of turmeric is said to be useful in fighting respiratory health issues, as it contains a phyto-derivative called curcumin, which is said to contain healing properties. Due to its anti-inflammatory compounds, it helps relieve cough. Cinnamon. As an immune stimulator, cinnamon is said to fight off colds and reduce systemic inflammation from chronic health conditions.